Sometimes a company does not tell employees first. Sometimes the government filing tells you first. Well, that filing is called a WARN notice. WARN stands for Workers Adjustment and Retraining Notification System. And in 2026, these filings have become an important signal for workers watching corporate reconstructing. Well, more than 100 major companies have submitted WARN notices according to the material that we are using tonight. Well, these filings can reveal planned workforce reduction before employees actually leave the building. And the important part is that the cuts aren't necessarily limited to the junior staff. Senior directors or vice presidents, principal engineers, enterprise software architects, even highly experienced professionals can find themselves inside a reconstructing plan. Because AI is definitely changing the ways companies think about organizational structures. Well, the traditional corporate pyramid, it is being flattened now. Fewer management less, more automation, more investment in infrastructure, and fewer people doing certain jobs, in fact, certain kind of jobs. Now, here's something specifically important for foreign workers. There can be two separate clocks. The WARN period can come before your actual termination, and then once your employment officially ends, immigration rules may provide another period in which you can take the action. So understanding the difference between those timelines, that matters. But don't wait for the company to call you now. Workers can monitor state WARN databases where it is available. They can check whether their companies have filed a notice affecting their location. They can update their resumes, they can collect their immigration document, check the validity of their I-9 form, and understand their options before the last day arrives. Because information is power. And in a layoff cycle, knowing 2 months earlier, it can completely change the outcome. Let's cross the Atlantic because Britain has quietly changed something every Indian traveler needs to understand before reaching the airport. Let's go back to the United Kingdom's visa system. Ladies and gentlemen, for generations, a visa meant a sticker in your passport. You opened the passport, you found the page. There was the visa. Simple, physical, visible. But Britain has now moved into a different world, the e-visa world. That's right, the UK has transitioned towards a fully digital immigration system with successful visa decision recorded electronically. Well, the source material says more than 500,000 visas were granted to Indian citizens in the year ending March 2026. And for the new applicants, physical visa sticker and BRPs are no longer the central proof of status. Instead, your immigration status lives online through your UK visa and immigration account. But yes, here's where travelers need to pay attention. Digital does not mean effortless. You still have to complete the visa application. You may still have to attend a visa application center for biometrics. And after receiving a successful decision, you need to make sure that your UK6 account is properly created and connected. Most importantly, yes, your passport information must match your digital immigration record. Because airlines can check passport information against the UK's digital systems before issuing a boarding pass. So reaching the airport with your bags packed, your ticket ready, your family waiting, and then discovering that your passport details and digital immigration profile, they don't match, it can become really serious problem for you. Well, that is why passport changes matter. Renewed passport, update your account. Changed your name, update your account. New travel documents, again update your account. And if you're traveling with your children, don't assume that one family account is enough. Each individual needs the appropriate digital record linked to their passport. In fact, there is also another warning here. Beware of people selling what is supposed to be free. Accessing an e-visa itself does not require some mysterious activation payment through a random agent. So if somebody calls you saying that pay us to activate your digital visa, stop. Check the official UK system because an immigration becomes digital, scams become digital too.